Hey, in my previous video, I inspected my propane system for leaks and I found some at my pigtails. So what I decided to do was replace my pigtails, and when I was looking at my regulator, I noted that it was cracked as well. So I decided to not only replace my pigtails, but my propane regulator. So the propane regulator that I have is the Cavagna Kosan. Sorry if I said that wrong. If I did, I don't really care. I'm doing my best. So, looks like this. This regulator is an auto changeover, so you can basically switch to the other one. This is green when it's got propane run into it, red when it's needing to be replaced. On the sides here, this is important, there's usually either 1/4 inch NPT fittings or 1/4 inch inverted flares, and this particular regulator has inverted flares. So what I got was propane pigtails that fit the 1/4 inch inverted flare, and I went with the metal braided pigtails because they have great reviews and I've used them before and they really last a while. So let's go outside and start doing this. Okay, so here I am out at my truck, and I don't have a table here, so I'm using my truck bed for it. You need your new propane pigtails. You either need the yellow pipe thread tape or this yellow pipe sealant, and the yellow is rated for propane. So then I have a wrench, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the sealant to the threads here. Okay, once that's on there, okay, I'm going to start it. Okay, once that's about as far as I can go with that, then I'm going to take the larger nut here. Okay, that's good and tight. So now I'm going to take my other pigtail, going to apply thread sealant, make sure it's nice and coated, and then I start this one. And I always do this first and get this completely put together so that when I'm ready to switch the units, I don't have to attach the pigtails after I attach this to the RV. That's nice and tight. Alright, so now that we're at my tanks, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shut these tanks off. Okay. I'm going to take the wing nut off. And the pigtails. And that will expose my main line right here. And this is what I'm going to remove. So I'm going to use a wrench. So I'm going to remove this old yellow PFT. Got my new regulator, my sealant, So now that's together. Now that this is hooked back up, I'm going to make sure that the auto changeover is pointed at one of the tanks. I'm going to slowly open the tank. Okay, and you'll notice that this turned green, which means this tank is full. Now I'm going to slowly open this other tank. Okay, I do not have any smells of propane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. This is just a recycled bottle. It got water and a couple drops of soap in there. So I'm going to spray this. And then I inspect for any signs of leaks. And I see none. I hope you found that helpful. Now that we have the propane regulator switched out and brand new pigtails, my system is going to be in top working order for quite some time. So I really hope that that helps you. I hope that this video makes you feel confident in your ability to handle these small jobs yourself, save some money, and become more familiar with your rig. Make sure you check out my other video on how to detect a propane leak and also how to install the Mopica tank sensors. Really awesome. Make sure you leave me a comment, give me some feedback, let me know if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, and always don't forget to subscribe.